glorious. Independent restaurants in Louisville and all around the world are in trouble. The COVID-19 pandemic has closed the doors of our favorite eateries in the interest of public health. But without ordering delivery, getting takeout, or coming in for socially distanced dining, some risk closing their doors for good. This is Quarantine Canteen, an online series reminding you to support your local restaurants so they too may survive this pandemic. I sat down with the folks at Red Hog Butcher Restaurant to discuss COVID-19's impact on their business and all the great food they're still cooking.
I'm Noah Militzer. I'm the executive chef here at Red Hog.
I'm Duncan Painter. I'm the executive butcher here at Red Hog.
I'm Matt Biggers. This is the first episode of Quarantine Canteen, where we meet with local restaurants that are impacted by the coronavirus and kind of what we as a community can do to help them out. Every interview should begin with a cocktail. Thank you. Now, what is this I'm drinking?
That's our Living Easy cocktail. So it's going to be rooibos tea, some local strawberries, a little bit of mint, and ginger syrup with Bardstown Company bourbon.
It's a very nice summer cocktail.
Nice and refreshing for the heat.
And what are the biggest challenges that you face, either as a butcher or as the restaurant?
I think the biggest thing that a lot of restaurants are facing is the limited sales that we're receiving. Even though us and a few of the restaurants have been fortunate in having the butcher shop has made us an essential service, and a lot of people have relied on us to feed the community. Alcohol sales and sales in general have just gotten a little bit smaller because people aren't spending as much, they're not going out as much.
Let's talk about food. Let's talk about the fun stuff.
Yeah, so really the whole concept is kind of a sustainable, free-flowing chalkboard menu. We get to use different products from the shop that might not sell as well for retail. People may not feel comfortable using them, or it's offcuts that as a chef we have the freedom and obligation and excitement to prepare them and use them and show them the respect that they deserve. So between having the butchery team that has expert butchers and then the freedom with the wood fire grill and the open kitchen concept.
You've got the butcher, you've got the wood fired oven, making fantastic pizzas.
We always have a rotating pizza. Right now we're doing like a whipped ricotta with some heirloom cherry tomatoes, all coming locally from Kentucky. And then the pizza dough gets made at Blue Dog Bakery, our sister restaurant. Some chili flake and fresh basil. So we have a really great fresh product.
Red Hog is more than a restaurant and craft cocktails. They are also a full-service retail butcher.
Yeah, we do everything in-house. Make all our own sausages, all our own charcuterie, whether that's salami, Spanish-style hams, culatellos, copas, bresaolas.
I'm going to our butcher production walk-in.
That was good.
Yeah. So we have dry-aged sides of beef. So this is all quartered beef. Here are. So all that will get turned into dry-aged steaks, dry-aged ground beef.
Whether somebody wants to come buy an expensive porterhouse, we can cut it however they like.
And here we have Black Hawk beef. These are all fresh loins that are just came in to get dry-aged. So they'll be here for about a month until they get dry-aged. And we'll cut them into ribeyes, into bone-in ribeyes.
We have at least 8 different kinds of sausages at all times. And our charcuterie's pretty diverse.
So here we have the curing chamber at Red Hog Butcher and Restaurant. So this is where we do all of our dry cured charcuterie. So anything from our Kentucky hams to bresaola, copa, and different types of salumi and salamis.
Or if they want to come just get a few sausages and not break the bank, we've got a pretty wide range of options.
So I'm gonna have the jerk chicken. Is that the official name?
Yeah, so this is our wood-fired jerk rub chicken. So we have a house jerk seasoning, a blend of dry thyme and some allspice, lots of fresh chilies, a little bit of soy sauce, and then we let the chicken marinate in that. We roast it, and then we pick it back up on the grill. We get a really nice char on it, some smoke, and then do a green tomato and peach salad on there with lots of fresh herbs, some lemon juice, and a little bit of pickled chili.
This is so good. So I'm gonna grab some chili. What's that?
It's gonna be some green tomato, so it'll add a
Tomato.
really nice bite of astringency and balance with that sweet peach.
Okay, so I'm gonna. This sets the standard for grilled chicken. Why should people even care? Why should they get out of their houses and come support local restaurants, whether it's yours or others? Why can't we just go to Panera Bread and Chili's?
I think
Depends on your prerogative.
yeah, I guess I'm not telling anyone not to do that, but I think overall, small neighborhood restaurants or small privately owned restaurants are a place of joy and meeting for many.
That's why I'm here. I feel that there's not enough of a sense of community urgency about preserving our local culture, and food, is to me the number one thing.
And I think a lot of people relate with that. So that disappearing from our society, which is a very big reality, I think is going to impact a lot of people.
I'll just stay at home. I'll cook at home. Order some takeout. Order delivery. Do something.
Obviously, Duncan and myself love going out to eat. It's something that we would do just for fun, and it's an activity I can't think of not doing in my life.
I'm scared of what Louisville could look like if we don't all as a community come together and support these places.
We can't let restaurants die off.
We talked about eating in, you've got your limited capacity outdoor seatings. How else can people, get your food?
Right now, takeout and patio seating are our main two sources, as well as coming here and ordering through the outdoor counter.
RedHogArtisanMeat.com. You can place an order online. You can call, whatever you need to do to support your local business. Well, I'm going to finish this. Thank you guys so much for having me, for saying yes. Everybody at home, don't forget, support your local restaurants. Come out to Red Hog. Where living is easy.
That was great. That was really smooth. We love puns. Tweet the meats. Hashtag tweet the meats.